Hi, it's Kag. Welcome back to the Treehouse. I'm going to do just a short video on the Sweet 16 breathing or the meditative breathing that I referenced in the right and left brain video. The Sweet 16 breath is pretty easy to remember. It is inhaling through your nose for 6 counts, holding your breath for 2 counts, and then exhaling through your mouth for 8. So in for 6, hold for 2, exhale for 8. And one of the things that's really helpful is to do a gauge of how stressed you are at any particular moment. So on a scale of 1 to 10, where are you, right? So for our example, let's say we're 6. That's about how stressed we are. And so by doing these breaths, this whole cycle of 16 counts 3 times or over 90 seconds, you should be able to bring that stress level down 2 or 3 points, so that we should be looking at a 3 or a 4. And you can repeat this any number of times to try to bring that stress down a little bit more. One of the things that we're going to use is patting. Just like this, you'll just want to start patting like this. And what we're doing is we're using our right hand to pat on the left side of our body and our left hand to pat on the right side of the body. And what happens to our brain when we do that is that we start to reconnect the left and right brain, right? That corpus callosum has bifurcated because of whatever, the trauma, the stress, the new whatever. And so in order to get that started again, to jumpstart it, by patting, we do a physical exercise in order to start that process. So once you are patting gently back and forth, and you've decided at what stress level you are at, let's start the breathing. So let's go through this together. We're going to go in through the nose for 6. So breathe with me. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold and exhale through your mouth. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold and exhale through your mouth. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, this is something that you can do just about anywhere. In fact, if you're sitting in your boss's office and you're getting stressed out, cross your ankles and tap on your knees, or you can tap on your elbows. It doesn't matter. You can do it in secret. The only place that you can't do it is when you're driving. Don't do that. That would not be a good thing. And then evaluate how much less stress you are feeling. And again, if it's only 1 or 2 points, do it again. And that should bring that stress level down, and you'll be able to access that creative part of your brain. So I have taught this to little people when I did in-home therapy, and it works. And even if you forget to pat, just the idea of being able to take that breath to reconnect your left and right brain. Because what happens when you exhale longer than you inhale is that you tell your amygdala, I'm safe. So when we are running from the tiger, our inhales are longer than the exhales. And so if you think about how you breathe when you run, that is true. Your inhales are going to be longer and you're going to exhale much more quickly. So when you reverse that process and the inhales are shorter than the exhales, your amygdala starts to relax, which also helps you to drop down into that right brain thinking that's a little more creative. So that's what I have for the meditative or the Sweet 16 breath. I hope this is helpful. And if it was, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will welcome you back again next time here at the Treehouse for a View from Above reading. Blessings.